Most beginners struggle for months to learn Python. In this Python using AI, I will show you how AI can help you learn Python in days instead of months. In the last lecture, we wrote our first line, that is, we have used this Colab and we have used this print to print a message like example, hello world. And when you click on this run, it's going to display the message, hello world. It's connecting. So once we open this Colab, we need to connect. Then we can start writing our Python statements. So here by using print, we are able to display a message. This we have seen in the last lecture. In today's lecture, we'll see about Python basics. Let me give the title for our notebook, Python basics. Let me go with the text also. We are going to discuss about Python basics. So since we are able to type the text also, that's the reason this is called as Colab notebook. Let us delete this. Let us create a new code here. How many code terminals you want to create? We can create by clicking on this code. When you want to write some text, we can even click on this text. Now, in this basics, we are going to learn about the first term, that is keywords. The meaning of keyword is there will be some words, predefined words, where a language can understand directly. Those words only we call them as keywords. Like we are having the keywords like int, float, while, for. These are some of the examples of keywords. And let me keep it in comments. When we use this as symbol, this will become a comment. Means these statements will not get executed even when you click on this run button. So comments are mainly for what purpose? To document our code, to document our statements. More elaboration about our statements we can do by using comments. In Python, we are going to use this as symbol. Now, the next one, we are having data types. Data types. So the main use of data type is like the type of data what you want to hold. In Python, we are having the data types like int, we are having float, we are having str, like this. Str means string. So when you take integer, the examples of integer are like any numeric value without any decimal point, even positive sign, negatives. And the examples of floats are like a numeric value with a decimal point like 3.14, 65.5, minus 98.4, positive sign, negatives with a decimal point. We call them as floats. And the examples of string are like anything enclosed within double quotes. Anything enclosed within double quotes. Even single character also you can consider as string here. Either it can be enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. We can even write like I am located in India, like this. So even the space is also considered as what? A string here. So any value which are enclosed within double quotes or single quotes, they are considered as what here? String. Now, so here I am commenting all these words by using hash. Let us go with some more examples. Like here, I want to store a value. Like I'm having some values like 50. I'm having some values like 60. We are having some values like 70. These values I want to store. In order to store these values, we require a variable. We require what? A variable. So a variable is like a identifier which can hold some data. Like example, I want to hold something like name. So I'm holding a name called as Raj here. So since name is of type string, the value should go in double quotes. So when you click here, it's going to hold a name. Now if I print here name, if you print name here, Control Enter to run the code, So what name it's printing C for us? Raj. It's printing the name Raj. We can even create some more codes here. So if I take something like age, I'm taking some age like 25. So when you run on this, the age value will become 25. Now if I use the variable age, what value it's going to display for us? 25. Right? Let me increase the screen size. See here. This name, age, these only we call them as variables to hold the data. These we call them as what? Variables to hold data. One more example. Like I want to take salary. I want to take salary like something like 65,000. 0.0. It's a float type. Run this button. So the salary value will be now what here? 65,000. Let me add some more quotes. Now, if I take this salary value, if you print the salary value, control enter, it's going to display for us 65,000. So these values like name, age, salary, this we call them as what here? We call them as the variables. The main use of variables are like it is used to store the value. It's like an identifier mainly to store the value. Right? Now, if I write the variable like something like 45 total. So this is error, so it's highlighting with error. So whenever you go with a variable should start with what? Alphabets like capital A to Z, small a to Z. And we can even have this 45, we can even write at the last one. So that's not an issue. So whenever you take a variable, okay, it should have what? Alphabets. So you can say total underscore 45 equal to some value. This is valid. So we can even use underscore in the variable names. So what is the value of total underscore 45? It is 45. So in this way, we can even declare the variables. Now, let me add some more cells. Let us go with some marks. Like example, I'm taking here math marks. Maths, I'm going with a value, something like 50. Then physics, we are going with something like 60. Let me take computers. We are going with something like 70. So these are the values what we have given this marks, physics and computer. Now the task is we want to find the total marks. So here you can write total equal to maths plus physics plus computers. So this is going to find the total. So that means we can even do the calculations by using Python. We can even do what? Calculations using Python. Right? Now, if I try to print this total value, see, it's going to print the total as 180. It's going to add up all these three values. And instead of going with separate variables like mass equal to 50, physics equal to 60, computer equal to 70, we can even declare the variables like this. Mass, comma, physics, comma, computers equal to, you can go with the values like 50, comma, 60, comma, 70. So we can even declare the variable separated by comma, and we can even provide the value separated by comma. This is one more very beauty of Python, which is not present in other programming languages like C, C++, Java. Right? So this is very beauty part here. And as we mentioned, this Python, we are going to use AI part. And in this Python using AI, we are going to make use of Gemini. So in this collab, it automatically comes with this Gemini. We are going to discuss about other AIs like Claude AI. We are going to make use of ChatGPT, Perplexity AI. These all things we are going to use in this Python using AI series. Here, you can even ask the questions to this Gemini like what data types are supported in Python? What data types are supported in Python? You can ask this prompt to this Gemini, which is going to give the results to us. See, it's working. So when you are learning, make use of AI to enhance your skills. So we get more information using AI part in order to learn this Python using AI. These are all very, very important. And since we are using AI, completion of this Python will be very faster to us. Instead of taking months to learn this Python, by using this AI, we can learn this Python in days. So here it's working. So it will take some small time to display the result. So whatever we are doing, please practice it so that you'll become confident in this Python programming. So it is taking more time here. Let me go with ChatGPT. So you can go with the prompt. What data types are supported in Python? So send the prompt. See here. So Python supports several built-in data types like integer. It supports float, complex type, text type, that is string. It even supports like list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, frozen set, boolean type, right? So these are the different data types which are supported in this Python programming language, right? So that's about in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you all.